Hey everybody, welcome, it's Jamie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favourite pasta dishes, which yes, involves burnt butter. You are going to need a very generous handful of spaghetti, 50 grams of butter, 175 grams of tomatoes, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a palmful of chopped basil, a generous pinch of chili flakes, freshly ground black pepper and sea salt, and finally enough parmesan to sink a ship. Pop your spaghetti into a pan of hot salty water. In a separate pan on a high heat, add the butter. Go on, be chefy and give it a good old swirl around that pan. And once the butter has turned a very dark brown colour, add the minced garlic and stir. It's gonna smell amazing. Time to add those beautifully red tom-toms. Next, those fiery chili flakes. And have mercy on your guests, please be generous with the seasoning, we do not want blandola. Lower the heat a little until the tomatoes start to soften. Once your spaghetti is al dente, transfer to the pan with the tomatoes and burnt butter. Time to add the basil. And who doesn't like a ton of cheese with a ton of butter? And before long, within 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to serve. Don't judge me, just a little bit more. There you have it, one of the easiest, fastest and tastiest pasta dishes. Don't forget to follow Travel Blog Jamie on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.